What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're going to be drawing Sally Leon from Brawl Stars. Now the first thing we want to do is start in the center of our page with the inside edge of the hood. So we start on the left side and draw a curve that goes up in the middle. And we bring that back down on the right side to the same height that we have on the left. And then we'll close off the bottom of the hood. Starting back on the left, we're going to step up. It's going to curve down in the middle. And then bend that up on the right side. Now we're going to move up and draw in the mouth. We're going to start over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that goes up and then out towards the right. And then we'll add the top row of teeth. We're going to step in, curve down, and up on the right side. Let's stick the lollipop in behind the top row of teeth. Starting at the top on the right, and draw a circle coming around and then back up. And then we'll draw the stick coming down and out towards the right. Starting at the top, coming down and out. Step in, draw that twice. And we'll close off the end with a straight line. And I'm going to go back to the left side and draw the bottom of the mouth. We're going to come down, round this out, and then up underneath the lollipop. And then we'll draw on the tongue. Starting on the left side of the lollipop, curve in and then down. And then we'll fill that inside area in black. Now I want to take this curve and duplicate it along the inside for the bottom of the head. Let's start on the left side, come down the middle, and pull that up on the right, in behind the stick, continue up towards the right. Let's move back down towards the bottom and draw on the neck, leaving a gap in the middle and draw two lines, one on the left and then one on the right. We'll fill that outside area in black. Let's add that zipper just underneath the neck. Starting in the middle, we draw two lines. One on the left, and one on the right. Close off the bottom with a straight line. And we draw a circle in behind. Starting on the left side, go all the way around, and back up towards the top. Let's add some detail to the zipper. Starting at the very top, we draw two small circles, side by side, and we'll fill those in black. And then we'll draw an oval just below it, going around, back up to the top. And then from the left side of the oval, we're going to draw a straight line going across, leaving a gap on the right side. Now let's draw on the bottom edge of the head. From this point, I'm going to step out, draw a curve, going down, and then in behind the zipper. Let's continue on the right side, going out, and then up. And now we're going to connect the ends with a large half circle. Let's start on the left side. Start by going out. And we're going to round up the top of the head. And bring that down on the right side. Let's add that face along the top. We're going to leave a gap in the center and draw two circles on either side. Starting on the left. And then we'll leave that gap and do the same thing on the right. So we're going to line up the circle, come in, and then back up towards the top. Let's fill those eyes in black. Now we're going to move down and draw in the mouth. Starting directly underneath the left eye, draw a straight line going across towards the right. Let's go back to the left and draw a half circle, going out and then in. And then we'll draw a straight line coming in toward the center of the head. Let's go back to the left and we'll draw that same size half circle, going out and then in. And we'll go straight out towards the right. Now let's close off the right side. Starting back at the top, just going to round this out, come down, and then in. Now that we complete the head, let's work our way down the body. We start just underneath the zipper with a straight line. Starting on the left side, go straight across from the top of the pocket, And then we'll round out the side of the pocket. Starting on the left, we'll go out and then back in. Let's close off the bottom of the pocket with a curve. Starting on the left, we're going to come down the middle and then back up on the right. Let's move back up to the top corner of the pocket and draw on the side of the body. We're going to go up and just bend that in with a short line. And then from underneath the head, we're going to round out the arm and then pull that in towards the bottom corners of the pocket. Let's start on the left side. We'll go out, round out the arm, and then pull that in. And do the same thing on the right. Going out, and then in. Let's add in the cuff. Starting on the left side, curve out, and then pull that back in towards the bottom. Do the same thing on the right side. And then we're going to add a fold along the top of the arm. Starting back at the top, go up, and then out. Let's move down towards the bottom corner of the pocket. So we draw two short lines coming down. Connect those 2 points with that same curve. And then from the middle, we're going to step down, draw a curve from left to right, going up, and then down to the lower torso. Leaving a gap in the center, we're going to move over towards the left, curve the leg going out, and then bend that down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, and do the same thing. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the heel, we come down, and then bend this up towards the toe on both sides. And we go back from the side and draw the top of the foot. Starting from the toe, we're going to go up. I'm just going to bend this down, start aiming towards the heel, and then I'm going to bend that back up towards the inside of the leg. Do the same thing on the right. Going up toward the top, and then bending that down, and then curling that back up towards the inside. And then we'll add some detail to the feet. Starting with the sole, we're going to take this curve, step up, and then just trace that across on both sides. And then we're going to add a toe cap. Starting from the top of the foot, curve in, and then down on top of the sole. We're also going to add a small circle along the ankle. Let's start on the left side, and then do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to move back up and draw on the side of the leg. Starting from the left hip, we go out, and then bend the leg coming down on top of the foot. And now halfway down the length of the leg, we're going to start on the outside, curve down, and then up. Line this up on the right, and do the same thing. And that's pretty much it. There's Sally Leon from Brawl Stars. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe, and send me your request in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.